All right, what is going on, everybody? It is Dave in here helping you play creatively. Today we are looking at one of my favorite passing chords. We're looking at some diminished chords going to a minor chord. If you want to play gospel music, you want to get that gospel sound, this is absolutely essential. Diminished chords are crucial as passing chords in gospel music. All right, so let's get right to it. So let's take the song that we're going to look at for our example. I'm going to show you the application, and then we are going to explain what's going on here. All right, so let's look at the song What a Beautiful Name. Okay, so if you notice something, I use this diminished chord here when I went to the A minor, all right? So looking at the theory behind that, we're talking about, in terms of numbers anyway, scale degrees, we can say a sharp 5. So G is our 5 within the C major scale. We're raising that up a half step. And so that tells us we can use that diminished chord going to the A minor, or if we're thinking about scale degrees, the 6th degree of the scale. So A minor is the 6th note within the scale. So sharp 5 to the 6 is our passing chord, okay? All right? So I like doing that, but obviously that could become boring. So what a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. That's absolutely fine, but maybe you want to add some more diminished chords to that. Well, let's get to it, okay? Once you start playing diminished chords, that tells you that you could start thinking within the diminished scale. Now, we're not going to go over the diminished scale, but what I'm going to say here is the note before this G sharp or A flat in its diminished scale would be F sharp, okay? So I can use an F sharp to an F sharp diminish to a G sharp diminish to an A minor. Let's see what that sounds like, okay? What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. All right? That's beginning to get me some more flavor going on, all right? But we can continue to add some more flavor, and I think it'll work. I don't think it'll make the song too salty or whatever, all right? So let's do it. We're going to add one more, all right? So we have this first G sharp to A minor. Now we can add from F sharp, G sharp to A minor. Now another note within the diminished scale, right, would be this F, okay? I'm saying right as though you know, but I apologize. It's going to be F to F sharp to G sharp, then to A minor. So now we have 3 diminished chords going to this A minor. Let's see what happens. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. All right. So there you see how you could apply 3 diminished chords as passing chords going to the A minor in this case, or if you want to look at these as scale degrees, we're talking a 4, sharp 4, sharp 5 to the 6, okay? All right. Well, if you would like to understand diminished chords further, then I definitely would suggest that you go to play-creatively.com, where I've created a number of resources talking about diminished chords, diminished scales, and how you can apply them in songs. Well, until next time, remember this, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll keep growing together. I'll see you in the next video.